Yeah, welcome. Yeah, my people, good morning, excellent morning, amazing morning. How you guys doing today? Trust you guys are doing exceedingly well. Trust you guys are doing amazing. I am doing amazing today. I'm doing very fine. I hope you guys are doing the same thing. I hope you guys are doing the same thing. If you can see me loud and clear and you can hear me, kindly let me know in the chat box. Use the chat box, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Let's get started. Yeah. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Mm. Okay, you're welcome, Jonathan Peter from Ghana. How you guys doing today? Miss you guys. How is Ghana today? It is saying, and Arthur Cruz, good morning, beautiful morning. If you are just joining us, you can see me and you can hear me loud and clear. Kindly do what? Kindly smash the like button and let me know if you can hear me loud and clear, so that we can get started. We only have 1 hour, so let's be fast about this class this morning. Let's be fast. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see me. Let me know if you can hear me and you can see me. Okay. 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 So what we're about to teach in today's class. Okay. So guys, if you are here right now, this is I'm just calling it live right now. Okay. Our stop loss should be a little bit below or here. Let's cover this other block right here, and let's see if we can have this right here. Okay. Okay. I got this. Make a short this side. So guys, I'm calling good right now. I'm calling good right now. Good one. I'm calling good live right now. Good, we are in a buy right now. Enter the buy. Let our stop loss be below this other block right here, and then let's see if this gold will run for us. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, it's in profit right now. Let's see how good will give us some good profit this morning. Call this one live right here. I hope you all caught that gold. I hope you all caught the gold. Good morning, sir. We can see and hear you loud and clear. Beautiful. Kadesha Revamp. How you guys doing? Your name, please, and location where you are joining us from. You know, Setobina, good morning. Where you joining us from? William Mutetwa from South Africa. You're welcome. So right now, let's see how that gold will play out. It's the same topic I want to be teaching us today. Is the same topic. Is the same reason why we enter this gold trade right now. The same reason why we enter this gold trade is the same topic we want to teach today, other block. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, can we proceed to our class? Okay, so let's get started. Let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. So you want to ask me how do I got this trade? Okay, so it's the same topic we are teaching today. It is called order block. Okay, let me put it right here. Okay, so let's use this. So we don't get to can pay attention. Other block. That's the topic we are treating today. Other block. Okay. Okay. How many people is in this trade currently? How many people is on this trade currently? Let me know if you enter this trade. Let me know if you are on this trade. Let me know if you're on this trade. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Make sure you smash the like button. Okay, let me know if you're on this trade. Let me know. Are you on this trade with us? If you're just joining us, make sure you smash the like button. Before we further with the class, our class today is just 1 hour. So before we further with the class, let me know if you are on this trade. So I'm going to be breaking that trade. I'm going to be breaking it down right now. How many people are on this trade right now? Let me know if you're on this trade. Okay, Muhammad Yaruskele or whatever. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce that name rightly. Says I don't know how to trade. Please have me. Okay. Yeah, I know some of you might be very totally new, of course. So that's why today or Saturday I have give a clear instruction. I have send you guys a video tutorial to watch. Even if you are totally new, you could actually tap into that. So you can actually tap into the instruction I give. If anybody that wants to grow must be ready to listen to instruction. Anybody that wants to grow must be ready to listen to instruction. That's the secret of success. Okay, so if I give you instruction, kindly follow. If you are totally new, I've given a clear instruction that you should watch a video, and I'm going to be showing that video right now. Let me quickly go through it. Let me go through YouTube. Okay. Okay, you come to YouTube right now. I only have like 2 minutes to quickly do this and show you. If you are totally new, I don't know why I should even be doing this, because I've given you guys a clear instruction. So search for DAOM Empire on YouTube. Okay, we are already going live. This is what is showing us. So search for DAOM Empire, and then when you come to the channel, the video I asked you to watch, pending order. Let me look for that video here. watch the video again. This is the video I asked you to watch. A video of almost 2 years ago. This is the video I asked you to watch. This video right here is what I asked you to watch. So you click on this video. This will actually give you a basic, hi guys, welcome. A basic. You can see how my neck is very long in this video. So this video will actually give you a basic understanding of how to actually enter a signal. Now I just put up a signal for you guys right now. It has come back to entry. Anybody that didn't enter before can actually enter right now. So you can actually watch this video. Watching this video will help you to understand how to actually catch the signal or take the signal that have been sent to you. So Mohammed that is asking a question, you don't know how to. If you have watched this video over the weekend, you will have understand at least how to handle this kind of thing. So mind you, I'm giving a free mentorship. If you are paying, if it's a paid mentorship, I can sit down one-on-one with you and teach you. If I give you instruction, kindly follow the instruction. That is all you need to do to help yourself. Okay, that is all you need to do to help yourself. So this trade has come back to the entry point. If you want to enter it, you can still enter it. So that is that about that. So let's proceed. Okay, we are starting our class right now. So okay, I think I've answered your question, Muhammad. Joshua, good morning. Can I still enter? It has come back to entry. If you still want to enter, Abbas Nathaniel, morning, Ogami. Nathaniel from Enugu. Joshua say, can you still enter? It has come back to the entry. So good morning, sir. Good everyone. Who is this? Your name is very long. Kento Fitness, Save Yourself, or whatever. Please, what's your name? Okay, so that's that about that. So guys, let's start today's class. Let's get started. If you want to join our signal channel, it is very simple. I'm not collecting any money, at least till November. I'll start charging people to enter the signal channel. But for now, if you want to join the signal channel, all you just need to do is to use our recommended link to register for your broker and fund the broker with minimum of $100. That money is not for me, it is your money. It is not my money. You are not giving me $1 from that money. Fund the $100 into your bank, into your broker account. So when you fund the $100 and you screenshot to me, I'll give you access to join us in the signal channel. And when I drop trade on the signal channel, you can take it on your account. Any profit you make, you are 100% responsible for the account. You make your profit. I've never for once, since I've been doing this almost 3 years now, ask anybody to pay me from the signals I give to them, because they make profit off of my signals, and I don't charge people for signal. Just have to use my recommended broker, and then that's all. So a minimum to fund is $100. So I think I've made myself clear on that. So now let's quickly go to today's class. So we are teaching order block. So what is an order block? Order block, different people use order block. If you are an ICT trader, you use order block. If you're a smart money trader, you use order block. Other people that trade, support and resistance, some people too also use order block. So what's an order block? So in a way that it will be very easy for you to understand, a valid order block is let me put it like this, is the last sell candle before that massive bullish movement. So let's say this market, okay, I've seen an order block to actually make my explanation clear right now. So the last, on this case, we are going to be using a, what was it called, a bearish is when market is going downward. So What is another block? Another block is the last buy candle before that massive sell candle. So this is the last buy candle here. Can you see it here? Can you see it very clearly? This is the last buy candle. After this last buy candle, we have a lot of sell candle that follows. So therefore this becomes an order block. Another valid order block is excuse me. Another ways to know a valid order block is when you have a long candle like this, which we call imbalance or fair value gap. So when that, after the last bullish candle, the next sell candle that comes after it is a long candle, like a momentum candle, a bullish a bearish engulfing candle, or let's just call it an engulfing candle. It might be bullish, it might be bearish. This is an engulfing candle. Shows that when the market gets to this level, people have been waiting to sell this market downward. So immediately it gets here, look at the way it is sold down. You can see. So now this market sold all the way down here, and then look at it. Anytime the market will come back to this place, to this last buy candle before the sell candle, market will react. That is because this is a what? This is a valid order block. So when we bring it forward right now, you will see that when market got here, what did it do again? Can you see? So imagine once you have seen this, you have set your sell order right here, that okay, when the market comes here, you are going to sell, and then guess what? The market will activate your order here, put your stop loss a little bit above the order block, something like this, and then look at how much you will have make this morning, okay, till the next one. This market has moved how many pips? Okay, I don't need to even calculate pips for you. You should just know that if you are risking $100 on this trade, you will have make over $400 with just this order block, nothing more. There are some people, all they just trade in the market is order block. You can see. So how to identify order block? Order block, I want to put it in a very simple. You can go to Google and do more research on what an order block is. So what's an order block? What's an order block? So what's an order block in Forex? There's a lot for you to read. You can see it's a price zone where large orders are, while large orders of trade has been executed. It represents significant change in the market sentiment and can often indicate potential future market movement. So you can read all the theory. I'm not here to teach you theory. I'm here to teach you practical. Okay. So you can see I'm still going to come and analyze this trade, why we took this trade. When I've actually explained what an order block is right now, you can see this trade is still running in profit. If you are the one that later took this trade when you come back to the entry, congratulations to you. So you are in profit right now. So as I was saying, this market, if you are risking $1,000, you'll have make over $4,000 with this movement this morning. Just by what? Identifying this a 15-minute order block right here. 15-minute order block. Okay. So let's say we have another order block. We have another order block that the market is also respecting. I'm coming. Where is it? I think I saw it the other time. Okay, come and have a look. So the last, remember what I call an order block? Let me type it out. In a very in a way that you will easily understand it, that it is called order block is the last bearish is sell candle. The last bearish candle before the massive upward before the massive upward movement. Bearish can also be called sell candle. So another way is also last bullish, that's the buy candle before the massive downward movement. Very simple and straightforward. I mean, you know, anything you want to do, just look for a way to simplify it. Anything you want to do in this life, just look for a way to simplify it, because that is when you'll be able to understand all this theory English. Just read it to understand, but when in the real sense, when you want to talk to yourself, simplify it. So there's different ways to, you know, all these Queen's English. You don't need it. All you just need is to simplify this thing for yourself, including the strategy at which you are using to trade. Simplify it so that when you are going through it, it make it easy. Okay, so another block in a very simple terms is last bearish sell candle before the massive upward movement, or last bullish or buy candle before the massive downward movement. So this, in this case here, this is the last buy candle before this massive downward movement. And when the market eventually come back there, can you see the way the market just tap into it and do what? Sold down. So now let me highlight another one for us. Look at this. This is the last bearish candle before that massive upward movement. And what did the market do? The market later come back there. Look at it. Look at this. Let me give this thing let me give it what color can I give it? What color can I give it? Let me give it this. Let me give it, I have blue, black. Okay, I think red is good. Okay, so let me also give this one red. So you guys can see what I want you to see. Okay, so you can know when the market came and tap into it. You can see this is the last sell candle before this massive up movement. Look at immediately we got it. One of those factors usually used to confirm if an order block is valid or not is the fact that the candle that will go after it is always massive, bullish. Like, how do I put it? It's always a momentum candle, a engulfing candle. Look at how engulfed this candle is. So we have this sell candle. Immediately we have this sell candle. We have another buy candle here, but this buy candle rejects here, and then we have a large buy candle to the upside, and then the market goes and it came back to tap into what? Into the order block. In this case, this candle here is our order block. It tap into it, and from the day it tap into it, this was on Friday, and then look at it. It was after it tap into this place that it now went to tap into this other block here. So this is purely an order block. Sometimes some other blocks don't hold, sometimes some hold. That's why you cannot just only trade order block, you have to trade it with confirmation. Okay, so now before I talk about this particular trade right now, it has come back to entry again. Before I talk about this trade, let's look for another example of another order block. let's look for another example of order block. Okay, before I move on to that one, let's quickly look at this, this one right here, the stop loss beneath the order block, and then look at how far the markets went. You know, it gave us almost 1 to 4, give us almost 1 to 4, over 1 to 3. So meaning if you are risking $100 right here, you will have made over $300. But if you are risking $1,000, you will have made over $3,000 just with this. And then if, just imagine if that's all you trade is order block, and you use confirmation to trade the order block. On Friday you'll have cashed this movement, this morning you will have cashed this movement. So now let's look for another order block. Okay, this is another order block right here, but market has not come there. So I want the one that market has actually mitigated. This one is unmitigated, so let's look for the one that the market has actually mitigated, so we can take advantage of that. There's no clear order block right here. There's another block, but the way the other block is not the way you can see. They are weak rejections, so I want to use a very clear order block. I hope you guys are with me. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. I hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. Before we move further, I hope you guys can hear me. Are you guys getting my explanation? Before we move further, are you guys getting my explanation? Are you guys getting my explanation? Let me know if you are getting my explanation rightly. Before I move further to talk about another order block. Okay, I guess some people are with me. Okay, so let me continue further. Let's look for another valid order block. I've seen another block here, but I want the one that will be very, very clean to explain. But whichever way, I can still use this. Guys, remember what I call the definition of an order block? The last sell candle before that massive upward movement. This is the last sell candle right here. Can you guys see? Even the market came to this place more than once, and it kept going up. Just imagine, market came here more than once and it kept going up. Look at it. If you are the type that all you do is just to trade 1 to 2 risk reward like me, the first time the market came here, and your stop loss below the order block like this, don't make it too tiny like this. At least give a little space down. That's how to set your stop loss. And then if you target 1 to 2, look at it, meaning that if you are risking $1, if you are making $2. If you are risking $100, you are making $200. If you are risking $1,000, you are making $2,000. Okay, so look at it. The market came here and gave us nice 1 to 2, and look at it. It came back again, the same order block. Market came back again, the same order block, and then gave us how many risk to reward this time around? Look at how far it went, 1 to 5, meaning that if you are risking $1,000, this trade will make you $5,000. you're just risking $1,000. But somebody like me that usually risk 1 to 2, you'll have gotten out of this trade sharp. You have made your 1 to 2. And guess what? After the market hits TP on this one, it gave us 1 to 5 here. It got 1 to 6. It got 1 to 6. After that, we have another. The market came back there again. Market came back there again, and then give us how many risks to reward this time around. Remember, the market got up to this level. So let's extend it and see how many risks to reward the market gave us that day on this movement alone. So let's say when we saw that rejection, we now have to quickly exit the market. So when we saw that the market is coming back down, we exit it here. So let's say the market gave us how many risks to reward this time around? This is 1 to 12, ladies and gentlemen. So 1 to 12, meaning that if you are risking $1,000 with this trade, you are going to be making $1,200. $12,000, sorry. If you are risking $100, you are going to be making $1,200. If you are risking $10, you are going to be making $120. It's the same thing. Look at it. Just other block. The other block that created here, though I don't usually recommend that you trade an order block more than once. I always recommend you trade it just once. But sometimes these things happens too. And if you have know how to get your confirmation, you can still capitalize on it, maybe trade it more than once. But the best way to actually trade another block is to trade it once. Once the market has created it, the first time it comes back there is the only time you should take it, and wait for another order block. Market create another block every day. Okay, so this is a benefit of an order block. You can go on and go on and go on and search for it in your charts. You will always see it. So order block, remember, is the last bearish candle before the massive upward movement, or is the last bullish candle before the massive downward movement, depending. Look at this. This is an order block. The market came back there, sold. This is another block. The market came back there, bought. Okay, so now let's talk about this trade. This is 5-minute order block. If you look at this trade right here, you can see that we have last sell candle before this massive move up to the upside. So this is an order block right here. So that was why I know that when this market comes back here, it's going to actually react. And upon with confirmation, and I actually went down to 1 minute time frame to get confirmation. That was why I call out this trade. Okay, so I'm still optimistic about this trade. At least that's why my stop loss is just right below the other block right here. We still have another other block right here, but it's not as clean as this one, because this one has a momentum, an engulfing candle, an imbalance, a fair value gap. Our next class, we are going to be talking about this imbalance fair value gap, how important it is to use in combining if you are going to be trading an order block. Okay, so because if you look at here right now, we have an order block here, but there's no imbalance, there's no fair value gap right here. So I prefer to use this over this. So all these things you will learn it. Our next class, maybe our next live session, maybe tomorrow, it may not be tomorrow, I don't know, depending on how free I am. I will let you guys know if you should be having another live session tomorrow, especially if I see that you guys are going to be turning up. If you are going to have more people that are going to be ready to learn, then that will actually be a motivation for me to actually talk about to actually fix another training sharp. These things for me, it's just like saying what I already know, and I find it more comfortable for myself to be doing it because it's what I already know. So teaching it I just want to be sure that people are ready to listen. People are ready to learn it. Once I see that people are ready to learn, I'm very, very ready to teach it. Okay, so if you guys are ready to learn, I'm always ready, very more than ready to teach. Okay, so in this case, my confirmation right here, immediately this market go here, we have a sweep, and then this market close above here. So this is like a market structure shift, or break of structure, or whatever you want to call it, here, right here. Immediately the market close above here, I see a confirmation why we should continue, why this market will likely continue going up. Okay, so all these ones right here, the market might still play around it, but hopefully this market is still coming back, it's still coming up. Okay, so another confirmation, if the market closes above here, if it later comes back up and closes above here, that will be a confirmation that this market is ready to go back, to continue going up. Okay, so now, do you have any question on the other block we've taught ourselves this morning? Any question, any question, any question? Any question, ladies and gentlemen? If you have not smashed the like button, make sure you do that right now. Any question? So let's just use the remaining time to take our question and answer for anybody that have any question at all regarding what I just taught you this morning, or regarding maybe how to join our private signal channel, our private mentorship, and all of those things. So this is a question session. I finished the topic I want to cover for you guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for your question. I'm waiting. Okay, Kingsley Kenechukwu from Dubai. Kekwanu. Kingsley Kekwanu. Yes, I am. Thank you. Okay. Yes, but we can hear you clearly. Okay. So, Albert Akogo say, please, what time frame do you find or confirm the order block, and which time frame do you execute your trade? Okay. Beautiful question. You can always use 15 minutes. You can get order block from any higher time frame, from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour. You can get order block from there. So sometimes you can get 5 minutes order block too, depending. Okay, but I like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour order block. Okay, because we are day trading, so the maximum I can go is maybe 1 hour, but I prefer it to be 15 minutes or 5 minutes. And if I want to maybe look for confirmation, I might wait for market short shift. Maybe the market will tap into the order block and then reverse, just like the one we took this morning, and then I get a market structure shift, maybe a break of structure to the upside. If you are expecting it to buy, that one I can get it either on 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Any of those time frame can be my entry, to execute my entry, my trade. Okay, another question from Joshua. He said, please sir, can we use 3 consecutive red or green candles to take the order block? What do you mean by 3 consecutive red or green? I don't understand your question, Joshua. Like the example on the US 100. I still don't understand. Let me go to US 100. Let me share my screen again. Okay. 3 consecutive. Where is the 3 consecutive? I don't understand. With all the explanation I made, I didn't get where you said three consecutive. Where is the three consecutive? Please make your question very clear for me, please. Okay, make your question very clear for me. This trade is still playing around, still playing. Just hold on to your trade. In as much as you are using proper risk management, hold on to your trade. Okay, hold on to your trade. I'm not getting your question, Joshua. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, for people that want to join our, mentorship, the benefit of joining our mentorship, private mentorship, is that you get all these things that I've taught you guys right now. You cannot just come to me on my DM and come and ask me question about it. Maybe once I end this live session, this session have ended. Once I end this live session, this session has totally ended. So anybody that is not in my mentorship private channel cannot come to me and say what I taught you guys, the other blog, there's something that he has been practicing, he's not understanding this. I'll simply tell the person that you should continue go and practice, or I ignore that question if once I discover that you are not in the mentorship. The only people I'm giving access to come to me at any time and ask me question what they are not getting right upon anything that I taught them are the people that are in the private mentorship. Another thing is that I have a selected videos where I've taught all that is needed, continue their own journey too without relying on anybody's signal. I have a ready video, a tutorial, a complete lengthy tutorial that covers every aspect that they need to understand. I have it for people in the mentorship, private mentorship, and they have access to me anytime, any day, and I gave them a lifetime offer. So I guess I'm going to stop the lifetime mentorship offer maybe by the end of this year. Let's just make it like 3 or 6 months offer, so that people can quickly learn and move on, and then other people can come in. So, and guess what, to join our mentorship, I'm not charging anybody for it. It's just the same criteria for you to take my signals. It's the same criteria that will earn you our private mentorship. What is the criteria? Use our recommended link to register your broker, and fund the broker with minimum of $100. Remember, the $100 is your own money, not mine. You are the one that will use your $100 to take trade, not me. So for the fact that you are going to use your $100 to take trade, I just want you to have enough money, at least minimum of $100 in your account, so that when I give you trade and you take, at least you are risking $10 on a trade, before you know it, you can go draw account. I have someone about 2 or 3 weeks now, he has grown his account from $100 to almost $200. Well, for me, that's a lot of growth. Imagine if this person is trading $1,000 or $10,000 account, it's the same way he's going to grow it. So almost 100, he has almost grown the account to times 100%. I think the last time he showed me is about 70 or 80 something dollars profit, 180 something dollars profit, and I tell him congratulations. So before you know it, he's going to withdraw his money, and I don't care. I won't even ask that. And now I'm the one that gave you this signal, you have to. No, I don't need it. I make my own money, I take my own trade, so I'm giving you access to also take the same trade with me. So all your money, your profit is 100% yours. They consign me. But I just want to be happy that people are, from me, they are growing, they are learning, and they are making money for themselves, and they are happy. That's just the drive for me. But of course, you are going to use my recommended broker, because that will actually give me some leverage with the broker, and then the broker tends to compensate me as it is. Okay, So let me see another question. We have about 10 minutes to end this live session right now. Thank you for your listening, sir. What other conference can one use for confirmation? Like, you can just wait for a break of structure to the direction you want the market to go. A break of structure or bullish engulfing candle, anything you can use for confirmation. Okay, so please, sir, can you explain more on how to place a trading order? Do I watch the video from the Telegram? How to place it? Is it pending order that you want to talk about? Can I explain how to place a pending order? Okay, if you are new and you don't understand how to place a pending order and you have watched the video, this let me put it this way. Are you guys with me? Hold on. I want to be sure that you are going to get this explanation. I want to be sure you're going to get this explanation. Okay. Okay. That should be Kingsley, right? Okay, let me say Kingsley and every other people and every other persons that watch the pending order video and it's still not very clear to you. This is it. Watch the video more than once. You cannot watch it once if you are not new to trading. That's when you can watch it once. But if you are new to this thing, you have to watch it more than once. Watch it like 2 or 3 times. And while you are watching it, try to open a demo account. If you don't know how to open a demo account, just go to XM, just open an account with my recommended link, and then from that account you can be able to open a demo account. This thing is very easy to do by yourself. Just get a demo account. Everything that you are watching on that video, start practicing it on your demo account, because that demo account, you are not going to lose money. It's a demo money, so you can be confident to make mistake and then learn from your mistake. Okay, so if you have watched the pending order video and you still didn't understand it, kindly open a demo account, watch the video more than like 2 or 3 times or more, and then practice what you have watched on your demo account. Before you know it, you start getting it right. Okay. Another question says, where the last candle is green before the momentum candle? This guy is still on this question. I don't understand. Let me read further. That second bullish order block. Okay, there is a red candle followed by a green candle. But the truth of the matter is, I don't use red candle, neither do I use green candle. My candle is blue and black. So I don't understand. How do you want me to comprehend your question right now? Joshua, how do you want me to comprehend your question? The question you're asking me, you are referring to my own chart, and my own chart doesn't have all this thing that you are talking about. I don't have red candle, neither do I have blue candle, neither do I have green candle. I have blue and black. There's a candle followed by a green candle. Can we use the green candle after the red candle as order block, because that gives the fair value gap with the momentum candle? I don't understand your question still. I don't understand your question still. It is very clear right now that all I have here is black and blue candle, and this is a bullish, this is an order block right here. This is a fair value gap that I'm talking about. This fair value gap will always validate the order block. I don't like to take an order block that doesn't have fair value gap. So this fair value gap or imbalance is what I'll be teaching on the next class. So I don't understand the example the question you are trying to ask me is not clear enough. This is also an order block, and after this order block we have this bullish momentum candle that has an imbalance. Yes, this imbalance, of course, this one has come to mitigate, fill the imbalance, but at least it left an imbalance for us to be sure that market is likely coming here. So the market went up, it came back, perm to the upside and things like that. So I don't understand your question, my brother. I don't understand your question. So, but I've made myself clear. I've made myself clear, okay? So that's that about that. If you want to join us, I've told you guys the criteria. I don't collect money until November right now. I'll start charging for people that want to join our signal channel and the mentorship channel. I'll start charging you guys maybe a monthly fee or something like that for the signal channel. But once you have joined my mentorship channel, I think that one will last for like 3 to 6 months. So I want to start putting some, so that people can take time to learn fast and then grow and have success and have results. Okay, my brother, I don't understand your question, Joshua. I don't understand your question, and I've made myself clear. Okay, so I don't understand your question. It's not clear. You are the way you even explain it is not clear. So if any other person understand within the last 5 minutes that we have here, you can help him to expatiate. But for me, I don't understand your question. So that's that about that. For someone who already bought a Willis Capital Prop Firm, how can we take advantage of your offer? My brother, use my recommended broker. Use my recommended broker and fund it with $100 minimum. Okay, fund it with $100 minimum, and then you have access to a lifetime signal channel. At least for now, that is still not it's still not a monthly subscription thing. For now, you can have access to it just by funding your broker with $100. You remember that $100 is your money, not my money. So that's that about that, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any other question, if you did not have any other question, let me know if you are going to be ready for tomorrow. I can fix tomorrow for us. I can fix tomorrow for us so that we can teach imbalance and fair value gap tomorrow. But remember, I like to make my teaching very simple, very simple. You can go and read up the theory yourself. Go and read up the theory. Go on Google, go and read up different theory. But for me, I teach practical, and I'm going to make myself very simple. I'll simplify it and make it very clear for you to understand. So another block is the last in the case of downtrend. Another block is the last bullish candle before that massive downward movement. In the case of uptrend, another block is the last bearish candle before that massive upward movement. So when market always come back to that other block, there's likely that the market will react from there. So you can always wait there and then take actions from there. Okay, Albert Akogo say, can someone buy another Willis Capital Prop account with your link? Of course you can, but the minimum account you have to buy is $25,000 account. The minimum for you to have access to our mentorship and signals, for now that I'm still giving a lifetime offer, the minimum account you can buy is $25,000 account. Okay, and you have access to it. Of course, I will not charge you. The account you bought is for yourself, it's not my own. And another thing is that I'll give you signal, I'll teach you how to trade, all that for free. If you pass the account, congrats. You make your withdrawals, congratulations to you. I will not ask you to give me any money from that. I will not say that. Why will I even say that? I have not said it before, and I will not say it, because I trade myself and I make my own money myself. So I don't need your money. But when you have made that money to an extent that you are making a good amount of money, you are making tens of thousands of dollars and many more. if you wish in your mind that let me appreciate this person, of course I'll always will be happy to receive your gift. But aside from that, I know they charge anything. But I think I'll start charging monthly subscription for our signal channel from November. From November. Even though all the other criteria are in place, you're still going to use our recommended broker or our recommended prop firm. But for you to be in the signal channel, you're going to be paying a monthly subscription. So I think that's how we want to run DAOM Empire now. So if there's no any other question, let's end it right here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, I don't know, maybe you are going to have class tomorrow, depending on you guys anyway. If you want us to have a live session tomorrow, you can come to my DM. If I get like 10 people, minimum of 10 people that want us to have live session tomorrow, we can fix another one tomorrow. If not, I'll look at a day that I'm also very free. I can actually. So don't remember 2:30 you are going to be trading live in our private channel. Trading live in our private channel. We do it every day, and then we'll send the result out to our public channel. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Bye for now.